Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel. Let's start the video. We will discuss the topic online MBA in the US without a GMAT. Affordable online MBA program with on the GMAT GRE. Online MBA program with on the GMAT or the GRE placement a requirement. Online MBA program with on the GMAT. Many colleges of the university are offering online MBA program and the external MBA program have removed the GMAT GRE requirement performing interesting to focus on other indicator to success. Here are some of the top online MBA program that do not require the GMAT or the GRE. Intersecting on the GMAT MBA program. What is the GMAT? GMAT is the Graduate Management Addition Test. Is the standardized multiple choosing exam used to measure readiness of the graduate level work. Many graduate business schools and MBA programming require it. How much does the GMAT cost? Has of 2022, it cost $275 to take the GMAT at in person taxing location in the US and $300 to take it online. Pricing and regulation vary by country. How long does GMAT talk? Sitting of the GMAT typically take 3.5 phones including option break. Student who quickly for recommendation many talk longer. The test of the broken into four sections within 62 minutes, variable 65 minutes, integrated decision 30 minutes, analytical rating 30 minutes. According to Kaplan, most people spend 5 months uh, studying for the GMAT, and those who scored in the top typically put in our 120 hours of the student time. How many times can you talk the GMAT? Candidate can take the GMAT up to 5 times, and the ruling 12-month period candidates can take the GMAT life maximum of the 8 times. Who craze about the GMAT scores for many, but not all business schools. GMAT scores can be important factor in admission, specifically law, film have consider GMAT scores as well as some large business, but recycling a growth number of the schools and the employer are rejecting standing test scores as an action indicator to talent. As can see by the graduate management admission policy, GMAC found that there is 2021 45% of the business program where test requirement the same year is a well fit journal reported that major firm like Bain MC Kinsing and the Goldman such ones putting a less emphasis on the standardized test as a part of their recording in a recent year. But is the GRE the GRE is a graduate road record examination is a more generalized graduate level standardized test used by graduate business and law schools worldwide. How much does the GRE cost? Oral testing time lasts about 3 hours and 45 minutes plus has a 10 minutes break. The test covers three subjects broken into a six section and it's written variable recording outcome recording complaint recording 1.3 one every month of the student time of the GRE to performance typically student over 100 on before taking the exam. How curious about the GRE scores the business schools that require tests for the many epic Is a GMAT is and GR is for applicant, but for most prospective MBA student, the GMAT is the test of the choice. According to GMAT, the GMAT is a submit 4 times more than the GRE. This video is and thanks for watching video and subscribe my YouTube channel.